Welcome back to hashtag SCQ. Scores are Old Harbour High on 3 points, St. Andrew Technical High on 2. As we get into the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible during 3 separate 60-second periods. St. Andrew Technical, Staths, you won the toss, decided to go first. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, approximately how old was Jesus when he started his ministry?
12 years old. 12 years old.
He was 30. How many pairs of spinal nerves are in the human body?
4. Relax.
31. Spell necessity.
N-E-S-E-S-S-I-T-Y.
No, N-E-C-E-S-S-I-T-Y. Her Excellency Simone Beton Nayo is the Jamaican ambassador to which country?
Cuba.
Belgium. What is the name of the medal presented to U.S. service members who have been wounded or killed in the line of duty?
Pass.
That's the Purple Heart. Which South American capital city is known for its Grand Lopez Palace, the seat of government?
Quito.
Asuncion. Which stringed instrument is also known as a fiddle?
Fiddle.
Flute.
It's a violin. What is the general formula for alkynes?
CnH2n.
Incomplete, -2. What is the name for a polygon with 12 sides?
Decagon.
Dodecagon. Who is the alter ego of Pietro Maximoff in the Marvel movie universe?
Pass.
Quicksilver. Which doctrine was a U.S. policy opposing European colonialism in the Americas? And that was the Monroe Doctrine. Well done, Staths, for your first minute. Old Harbour High School, we're coming over to you now. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, after Jesus fed 5,000 people, how many baskets of food were left over?
12.
That's right. How many pairs of cranial nerves are in the human body?
22.
12 pairs. Spell jaguar.
J-A-G-U-A-R.
J-A-G-U-A-R. Her Excellency Sharon F. Saunders is Jamaica's ambassador to which country?
Canada.
Mexico. What is the name of the highest civilian award in the United States?
Presidential Medal of Honor.
A Medal of Freedom. Which African capital city is known for its pink Baroque Andafiavaratra Palace?
Paris.
That's Antananarivo in Madagascar. To which specific family of instruments does the saxophone belong?
Brasswind.
Woodwind.
I heard brasswind first. Woodwind is indeed correct, unfortunately. What is the formula for ethene?
C2H2.
C2H4. How many equal angles does an isosceles triangle have?
2.
Correct. How many? Who made Captain America's shield in the Marvel movie universe?
Pass.
Black Panther.
That's Howard Stark. Okay, Old Harbour. Well done for your first minute. Staths, we're coming back over to you now. Time for your second minute here in the speed challenge. Which country beat Spain to advance to the quarterfinals of the 2022 FIFA World Cup in Qatar?
Japan.
Morocco. What type of lens has a thin middle and makes objects appear smaller?
Concave lens.
That's right. What part of a home is el dormitorio?
Dormitorio. Living room.
The bedroom in the play Macbeth. Which character says, angels are bright still, though the brightest fell?
Pass.
Malcolm, complete the Jamaican proverb. And every mango
Pass.
got majig. In the Bible, from what part of Adam's body did God create Eve?
Ribs.
That's right. What is the longest bone in the human body?
Femur.
That's right. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of opposed.
Unopposed.
That's right. Who is the president of Suriname?
Pass.
Pass.
Jan Santoki, who you are at the famous underground hydroelectric plant Churchill Falls. In what country are you?
Trinidad and Tobago.
Canada. What word means the shake that comes after an earthquake?
Rupture.
Aftershock. Good Music is an American record label founded by which rapper?
Kendrick Lamar.
Yay. What is the name of the chemical element with the symbol MO and atomic number 42?
Molybdenum.
Okay, I believe your answer came after the bell. Molybdenum was correct, but after the bell. Well done, Staths, for your second minute. Old Harbour, coming back over to you now. It's time for your second minute. Which woman's refusal to give up her bus seat sparked civil rights protest against segregation? That's right. Which country won third place at the 2020 FIFA World Cup in Qatar?
Argentina.
No, man.
Argentina.
Croatia. Which type of lens has a fixed focal length?
Convex.
Convex.
No prime lens. What personal hygiene item is el cepillo de dientes?
Toothbrush.
That's right. In the play Much Ado About Nothing, which character is the illegitimate brother of Don Pedro?
Pass.
Don John. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Why no see heart?
Here.
No leap. In the Bible, what animal tempted Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden?
A serpent.
That's right. Where in the human body are the bones known as the anvil and stirrup
The ears.
located?
The ears.
That's right. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of fallible.
Unfallible.
Unfallible.
Infallible, who is the current premier of Turks and Caicos?
Pass.
Charles Missick, if you are at Yosemite Falls, in what U.S. state are you located?
Arkansas.
No, that's in California. Which type of coal has the highest carbon content?
Charcoal.
Anthracite. Anthracite. Well done, Old Harbour, for your second minute. Stats, we're coming back over to you now. Time for your third and final minute. What number do the Roman numerals L, X, 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 V, I represent? That's 87. What is the name of the superhero who has the ability to control and manipulate wind in the Black Adam movie?
Pass. Pass.
Cyclone. In what year in the 19th century did the first Afghan war take place?
1935.
1839. In which country was the golf player Vijay Singh born?
Which country?
Trinidad and Tobago.
It's from Fiji. What liquid is used as a standard when measuring density?
What liquid?
Viscous.
Water. What classroom object is El Sacapuntas?
The chalkboard.
Pencil sharpener. Who wrote the novel Sense and Sensibility?
Pass.
Jane Austen. In what Jamaican parish is Cornpuss Gap located?
Manchester. Manchester.
St. Thomas. In the Bible, the way to which tree was guarded by cherubim and a flaming sword?
Sycamore tree.
The tree of life. What blood type is a universal recipient?
A. Blood type A.
AB positive. What literary device is used when a word is written multiple times, usually for the purpose of emphasis?
Assonance.
Repetition. In which country was the American? And we won't have time. Well done, Stats, for your third and final minute. Old Harbour High, coming back over to you now. Time for your third and final minute. Young Money Entertainment is an American record label founded by Lil Wayne, actually. What is the name of the chemical element with the symbol Y and atomic number 39?
Yttrium.
That's right. What number do the Roman numerals L, X, X, I, X represent?
72.
79. What is the name of the superhero who has the metahuman ability to control his molecular structure in the Black Adam movie?
Magnet.
Captain Atom.
No, Atom Smasher. The shortest war in human civilization history lasted for less than an hour and took place between Zanzibar and what country?
Pass.
The UK. In which country was the golf player John Rahm born?
India.
Spain. What is the generic term for the sound transmitting and receiving devices that ships use to measure the depth of water?
Pass.
Sonar. What classroom object is El Pupitre?
The Dix. The Dix.
That's right. Who wrote the novel The Sun Also Rises?
Samuel Selvan.
Ernest Hemingway. In what Jamaican parish is Flagaman is located actually in St. Elizabeth. But well done, Old Harbour, for your third and final minute. That's the end of the speed challenge. Scores in the match look to be Old Harbour High, pulling ahead slightly to 11 points, St. Andrew Technical High School on 6. When we come back, it'll be time for the exciting Buzzer Challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay with us. TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after this special tip from Water.
Guys.